The pentagram tends to symbolize a lot of different things, and it depends on the tradition you're following. And normally the broader aspect of it would be the five elements, or the four plus quintessence or spirit. How it's used in cases such as ceremonial magic, you may use it in the lesser banishing or the actual rituals of the pentagram. And in that case, you would be using, depending on which one you're doing, if you're doing the lesser banishing ritual or the pentagram, you're usually just using the earth banishing pentagram. If you're doing the supreme rituals, then you start to actually use the various different elemental configurations of the pentagram. And also, this again, coming back to ceremonial magic and their banished or their pentagram rituals, you've got the invoking rituals and you've got the banishing rituals. And in that instance, you're going to be drawing the pentagrams in different ways. You can banish or invoke air, you can banish or invoke fire, etc., 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 depending on which way you actually draw the pentagram. Protection as well. Pentagrams used for protective purposes, a protective symbol. If you look into the Greek, you have Hugeia, who is the Greek goddess of health, and in old coins, the pentagram was actually drawn with Hugeia in mind. And I wrote about this in my first book, The Reality of Things. It's a long time ago. I'm trying to remember. So you've got the Hugeia actually breaks up into five um, um, kind of letters, parts of the name, and those relate to the Greek letters, which then relate to the actual elements themselves. And you can go around the pentagram in that configuration. Um, so yeah, there's really lots and lots and lots of ways to use a pentagram.